Hai semua, welcome to my channel. Hari ni kita akan belajar macam mana nak buat sugar ruffled peonies. Okay, first step. Get your smallest peony cutter and kita nak tekap 20 petals. Alright, once dah tekap semua, apa yang kita nak buat, get your roller. Cantik pakai ni kan, it's a very small roller tau. And then kita nak rollkan each petal ni senipis yang boleh. As you can see kan, tengok macam bila roll kan a bit out of shape kan. It is okay sebab kita kononnya lah nak buat macam realistic sikit lah kan, dia punya center tu biar macam different shape, so that's okay. Once done, get your veiner. Yang veiner yang T pakai ni macam multi-purpose veiner tau. T pakai untuk macam-macam bunga lah. Buat untuk peony, you can use untuk buat tulip. So this is one of my favourite veiner lah yang T selalu pakai. So make sure tekap all the 20 petals. Once you dah habis tekap semua, get your ball tool. Make sure yang kecil sikit tau, yang ball macam dalam video ni kan. And what you do is rollkan petal tu yang dekat hujung petal tu je tau. Just slightly roll it so that dia akan curve ke dalam sikit. And do it for all the 20 petals Once dah siap, ambil a little bit of edible glue and sapu glue tu dekat at the edge of the petal, sikit je, jangan banyak sangat Now take the petal, lepas tu lipat dekat hujung petal tu yang tempat yang glue tu kan. Lipatkan petal tu macam lipat tiga tepi. Macam lipat napkin kan. Do it for all 20 petals. Get your styro ball yang I think is 1.5 ke 2 inch styro, yang dah dicucuk dengan gauge wire 16 atau 18. Sapu edible glue on the styro ball. Get your petals yang dah lipat tu, letak 3 petals around the ball macam kat dalam video, and then get another 3 more petals, lekat kat mana area yang tak ada petals tu kan. So continue doing it, keep letak sampai the whole styro ball tu is covered by the petals. Okay, kalau you nak ruffled center tu kan lagi macam banyak lagi bushy, lagi cantik kan, you can actually add more petals tau. You can add 30 to 40 petals. Cuma yang ni T buat hanya 20 saja. This is how the center of the ruffled peonies will look like. T selalu biasalah kalau macam buat ni, kita selalu bagi kering 24 jam. Make sure gantung balik ya. For the next step is to do 3 size petal yang akan cover the ruffled center. The cutter yang T selalu pakai adalah yang cutter teardrop cutters, macam kat dalam video ni. Is the 3 size paling kecil. T selalu pakai lah. So each petal size, the paling kecil kita buat 6 petals, and then the second and the third size kita buat 5 each. Lepas dah habis tekap all size petals kan, okay, ambil a bit of corn flour, dap sikit petal tu, so that nanti bila nak nipiskan petal tu dia tak lekat kat foam board. Okay, now the ball tool yang T pakai ni is T bought from online dekat this seller from Thailand. Ball tool ni dia macam dia lagi besar daripada yang ball tool yang selalu nampak kat kedai macam Big Tian ke, it's slightly bigger. Okay, after dah nipiskan each of the petals kan, kalau nampak kan T curvekan the end of the petals at the top tu kan, biar curve ke dalam tau, biar nak nampak melengkung sikit ke dalam. There's a reason why I do that lah. Sebab nanti kalau you nampak kat dalam gambar yang awal-awal tadi kan, nampak kan dia macam cup. This petals ni macam cup, dia macam elok je dia macam nak tutup the ruffle peony center tu kan. So that is what we're trying to achieve here. Bila dah habis nipiskan all the petals, letakkan ke dalam fruit tray and make sure keringkan maybe dalam 30 minit. Now the fruit tray tu penting juga, you have to guna yang fruit tray yang cups dia macam melengkung di dalam, okay? Sebab kita nak dapatkan that cup shape tu cantik. So the next step will be you take the smallest size petal yang dah buat tadi tu, and then lekat on the ruffle center on top of each other lah. Once you've done the smaller size first, you go to the next second size, which is the 5 petals, and then you continue to the third petal, which is the third size, the third biggest size. Kalau you all perasan in my videos, I tak pakai sangat Venus tau. This is because the flowers that I make for my customers and the ones that I sell, the price yang I letak pun for my flowers, it all depends on how long it takes for me to complete one flower, how the difficulty, the creativity that I put in it, and but at the same time, paling penting is the time lah to complete one flower. I have to make sure it doesn't compromise my time and effort. Tapi juga pada waktu yang sama, I want to give the best or the most realistic flower that I can get, and it's affordable for my customers to purchase, and it will look gorgeous on their cakes. The next day, kita prepare nak dust the flower. Customer T ni dia minta buat very 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 light pink ruffled peony, and for dusting T decide to just add a little bit of highlight inside the ruffled center dengan the side of the petals. The colors that I use is a mixture of dusky pink rose, a little bit of magenta, and a little bit of brown. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching my video. Diharap you dapat belajar sedikit sebanyak from watching, from what I've shared. All the best to you. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel and follow my Instagram. Have a cup of tea. Thank you. Cheers.